Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new XRP video. And you know guys, I don't know why I do XRP videos, because it's very boring right now. It's just going kind of sideways, not doing it. Everything else is fine. Like I could be making video about something that's pumping 10-15%, you know, something that's exciting, something that there's talk about, you know, but I still do these videos because I know you guys like it, you know, you guys want it, you guys hodling this for a long time, you want to know when it's gonna happen. So, you know, I keep on doing XRP videos, you know. If you like that, hit like button. That said, I'm gonna show you something that's actually very bullish on the chart. It's not this sideways motion. This sideways motion is neither bullish nor bearish. We are just kind of holding this yellow line up here. This yellow line is the 50 moving average really nicely. You can see here that the yellow line goes to down towards the 200 moving average. You know, this can go technically this can go on forever. Like it can go down here forever, because this trend line and these lines are actually going parabolic. Sorry, not parabolic. Parallel. So you know, this can go technically speaking, it can go forever. So we don't have we have absolutely zero clue when this is gonna explode. I'm sorry guys, we got zero clue when it's gonna close, but I'm gonna show you two things that are actually very bullish on the chart. Now the first thing I'm going to explain to you that's bullish is on this daily chart up here, and that's when we hit this yellow line down here. So you can see here previously we hit the resistance up here, you know, got rejected by that, went down to the 50 moving average, tried again, got rejected, and then went down here. It was looking like it's going to break on the downside. It was looking like it's going to break on the downside. We didn't do that, and what we did after the support holding is we went back up to the 160 line and tried again. So this move up here is also a very bullish move. It shows strength in the price. It shows there is bullishness in the price. It shows that there is bullishness or bullish whales or bullish people or bullish somebody that's trying to push the price towards the upside. This part over here is a very bullish move. Unfortunately, it was also being manipulated towards the downside. You know, I don't want to talk again about who's manipulating or not the market and stuff like that, but you know, we got crushed down, and this is deliberate you know, move towards downside, because somebody doesn't want this to pump just yet. You know, there is order of things: Bitcoin first, and Ethereum, then you know, big altcoins and smaller altcoins, stuff like that. So on which tier the XRPs, I don't know. But this is one of the bullish moves. The other one bullish moves being we are still above the 50 moving average, and that's nice. But what I'm going to show you now is actually on the weekly time frame. And you might think that this weekly time frame doesn't look that good, because if you look at the moving averages, you'll see this 10 moving average that we cannot get above. So we went down, we got support on the 20 moving average, we went up to the 10, cannot break it, broke it right back down again, cannot break it. So we are technically just sitting below the moving average. Now why is this bullish and not bearish? I'm going to tell you, this part over here is very bullish. Oftentimes you'll see when the price goes towards certain resistance line and gets rejected, it maybe tries again. But if it gets rejected for the third time, it oftentimes just falls back down to the support. So here the support would be 20 moving average. So when you get rejected, you know, you fall down to the support. Now we did not fall down to support. We are not falling down support. That's the bullish part. When you see some price movement towards the resistance, and then you see the price kind of hugging the resistance, this part over here is a very bullish part. So not a lot of people that do tech analysis understand this, but the fact that the price on the weekly time frame is hugging the 10 moving average, it shows strength in the price. It shows that the price wants to go further towards upside. It's being manipulated towards the downside, I see that, but it's not falling back to the supports. We are not falling down in here to some kind of 0.94 levels. We are not going retesting the supports to go up. We already know where the support is. It's good enough support. So right now everybody is just waiting for this to break towards the upside and go higher. This over here, this shows me there is a lot of bullishness in XRP price. I mean, it does not maybe mean a lot to you guys, but it means a lot to me. Now, not only that, look at these wicks. Look how these wicks are falling slowly down, and these wicks are going slowly up. And you can see here that it's creating some kind of triangle up here, right? Some kind of triangle up here. And it has to decide what's gonna do, because these wicks are getting smaller. These wicks are getting smaller. You can see here they're going towards downside. So we are having some kind of small triangle forming over here on the weekly time frame as well. Not only that, we are forming the triangle while we are hugging the 10 moving average. It's only a matter of time before we actually break out. Now, will this actually, you know, go tomorrow, next week, this week, you know? it kind of depends. It kind of depends. Unfortunately, it kind of depends. But it is a nice triangle. It is a nice triangle. It is hugging the moving average from the bottom side, which is actually very bullish. And on the daily time frame, if you can just go a little bit back in time to the daily time frame, there is not much bearishness in the chart. Yes, we are going sideways, slowly moving towards downside, but we are still holding this 50 moving energy, which is very important, not only for XRP, but on all of the altcoins right now on the daily time frame. And you know how long this is gonna go. I'm giving it like a week max, because during this week or next week, like, something has to happen, because you know this triangle up here is coming towards the end. You know, this week, maybe next week, something is gonna happen. Whenever whoever decides to manipulate the market, manipulates, you know, there are some kind of sell walls down here pushing the price down. As soon as these walls are lifted, you know, and the price can, you know, go towards the upside, it will explode. It will explode. Now, unfortunately, that isn't today, but at least there is some kind of bullish news right now going on the weekly time frame, you know. And even though everything is exploding, it's really a hard time just waiting for your coin to explode. It will explode eventually. It will explode. Hopefully, it will explode a lot. Hopefully, it will explode a lot. Anyways, guys, come tomorrow. Maybe it's already, you know, tomorrow is gonna be the happening day that's gonna explode. So you wanna be here when that happens. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button on the way out. Check the link down below for the daily altcoin video if that's your thing. We also got a Patreon Telegram group with a lot of mature adults, you know, talking about crypto, what's good, what's not, and you know, stuff like that. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye bye.